odd creatures and them no know why we different from them. Me not have a problem with the January Capricorn. It does have a problem, say a January Capricorn have a problem with we. The December Capricorn, them. We need to trouble people, dog. You understand me? When me hear the January Capricorn, them say, oh, December Capricorn, them worst song with them are the worst part of we. I was like, what? I mean, yeah, the January Capricorn, them are come talk about say, yes, because we are Sagittarius. We better than Aquarius. Go suck on no matter. Move on a blood clot. If you want to say, January Capricorn, them say, we are Sagittarius. Because we have the Sagittarius moon, but we una blood clot Aquarius. The worst thing them. Remember, in a January Capricorn and Aquarius, see a month, the 19 is stop. I does the truth. I does the truth. I does the truth. The Sagittarius them better than all Sagittarius better than blood clot Aquarius. Well, me no know. Me don't see you say Aquarius worrying. That's all. I love you. You don't love me like how me love you. That me a blood clot tell you. Me blood. You see, boy. You see me rich. Me I run you way. Me I run you all. Me and you. Where we they run? Two of we have them over think we are flash. Because me and Kaya got Germany. Me and Kaya got Paris. Mama me and Kaya got Thailand. Mama me and Kaya got in places that want be a bumbuckler yacht. And a be a private jet. No boy. For the private jet, me have a girl on there do a pedicure and manicure and I rub your feet and no, me rub your feet. I'm my job. Me rub your feet. I will rub your feet then. Rub them. Rub down your feet them man. Say me love him man. Tell me for fall and I love him man. You know what the bomb buckler there man. Wake up and say baby what you want for breakfast. Any right now in our country them have to find it. With the blood clot there. No did it. With the blood clot there. Eh? No, sir, me I tell you, certain woman you have them in your life, you have to cherish them. But the bumbo clot there, man, what? If me have a woman like my wife, I got teeth. Why me I tell you, God Almighty truth, because no, you know if you say no. You must be mad. If you know if you hear no, none at all. You say, oh, babe, I was thinking I wanted that building I saw in Paris. Where's the baby? Eh? Call me teeth in for them, yo, dog, what you know? Yeah, me go on two of them car there and my father watching alright. See if you can go see if you can get a title off that piece of building here when me say oh come moms yeah man. Yeah man, we are changing your blood clot. You fuck. Baby girl I want here man. Me fi got teeth. Yeah man, me fi got teeth. As soon as you want me fi got teeth man, yeah. If me not have it, teeth straight. Yeah, my cat in a year now. No, you must be mad. Me dead first, baby. I swear to God, I dead first. If you say, if you said no, oh, baby, me want the police, baby, me want, no, you're crazy to blood clot. No, it's never the answer, baby. Not even maybe what gonna be the answer. Not even give me a minute. I know, gunman. Hey, baby, take me card. Take that. Go buy the whole world. Oh, the blood clot there, what? Can't wait to spoil my woman. Yeah, man, I'm not going to tell you no lie, man. Spoiling my woman, that I gonna make me feel like a real top chad. Now, when I fuck you, I make you bust all over my bed, you know. If I make you wet up my bed, I simple blood clot, mats that. But, if you just watch your big and spoil in a Gucci, I buy everything, and Louis, I buy everything, and in a Dior, just I buy everything, and I spend off all of my money. That make me happy. I just want to see you look cute. This go on, baby, go spend off my money. I just want to watch you spend my money. Go on. Go on, baby. Boy, your blood clot phantom for your Christmas. You see what I say? Oh, the blood clot there, man. Maybe believe you ever spoil your woman. Yeah, bro. As long as me have woman, I don't buy nothing for myself. I buy it for my girl straight. Yo, I had a girl clothes, baby, that's the dog. One paper, me no need nothing. As a mama need it. Me want mama for just any bumbuckler thing mama want mama for get it. Yeah, mama. Go on. Take it. Oh, I'm taking it. I can't find me, my friend, and got thief that. You know what I'm saying? Yo, team, alright. Me sooner later, cause me I could come go about my business.